Today we're going to do another unboxing of another product from the Woofum stick. Let's get it open. It is their cookbook. So it's called Camping Time, Quick and Delicious Recipes for Your Next Outdoor Adventure. Pretty awesome, isn't it? All right. Very nice bright colors. I mean, how cool is that? Wow, I mean, there's some pretty cool stuff. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put a link below in the description here if you want to get your own cookbook from them. It is definitely a must. It's not going to take up a lot of space in your RV, tent, whatever you have. It's not a big book, but it's well illustrated and the directions are super easy to follow.